Hi there, thanks for joining me on this week's live. Today we're going to be discussing the best practice approach to passing your environmental health inspection. But before I get to that, I do just want to kind of bring you back to the subject matter that we discussed. So every week, most weeks, every week, I write a subject matter expert blog on something to do with the cleaning and hygiene sector, whether it be sanitisation or environmental health or catering and hygiene. And you can find all of that on our website, which is in the blog section. So you can find our website on www.astralhygiene.co.uk. Obviously, all of these live videos are hosted by Facebook, but we do pick them up and we share them to our YouTube channel. So please do go and subscribe there. Or you can catch them on our website, because after I do the recording, I generally upload them so they sit beside the blog, so you can either read the blog or watch the video. So all of the last kind of 5 or 6 videos that I've done, I've uploaded them this morning. So if you want to have a quick catch up, then head over to our website at www.astralhygiene.co.uk. As always, a quick share on this video would be very appreciated to kind of spread the free content that I share every week. So let's get right to it. So environmental health, if you are a catering hygiene professional, if you own a hotel, bar, restaurant, and many of you are very, very seasoned, but there's some of you that are kind of starting out and would like kind of quick guides in terms of advice and guidance in terms of the best way to pass your environmental health inspection. Obviously, if you are buying your chemicals or anything else from Astral Hygiene, you get access to our team of experts here who can really help you and guide you in terms of choosing the right chemicals for the right job or the right equipment for the right job. So we're going to be breaking this environmental health series into kind of 5 parts. The first part is colours are your friend. And this is kind of me talking about the kind of an introduction to the environmental health and what they're trying to do, and give you the first kind of hint and tip that we are offering on our blog series. So environmental health, obviously, go around all kind of restaurants and bars and hotels and food kind of establishments to inspect the cleanliness, the sanitisation and the approaches that you are taking to make sure that the food that you are serving is hygienically prepared, is being kept in an appropriate kind of temperature, is labelled appropriately and all that sort of stuff. So they are there to make sure that you are, you know, providing safe, delicious, hygienically prepared food for your customers. They are not there to, you know, come in and shut you down or, you know, come in and give you a hard time. They're really there to help. And Astral Hygiene, over the years, because we've been in existence for almost 30 years now, have got a really good relationship with environmental health. And because of our manufacturers that we choose to work with are so seasoned and professional and really well informed, they keep us at the absolute top of our game in terms of our knowledge, and so we can really guide our customers in terms of what environmental health would like to see, so any kind of changes in legislation. So this is kind of the forum that we would share that with you in. So yeah, environmental health, they are your friends. They're just trying to help, and they're just trying to make sure that everybody is enjoying delicious, hygienically prepared food. So the first kind of tip from us is colours are your friend. So if you are working in a hotel, a bar, a restaurant, anywhere that has kind of different zones, so by zones I'm talking kitchen, bar, sanitary kind of areas like washrooms, etc., and then basins and surfaces, they all kind of have their own kind of colour. So typically, and there's kind of freedom for you to choose which colour you want to have in which area, but there are kind of guidelines which you can follow or not follow. The point of this is to make sure that if you are using, you know, kind of green for general food and bar use, that everybody that is working in your establishment knows that green is for kitchen and bar only, that a green mop or a green cloth or a green dustpan and brush or green items like that, cloths, etc., should not be used anywhere apart from the kitchen or the bar. So that's really important. So you would never, drag a red mop that has been used in your kind of toilet area, your washrooms, etc., through the bar or through the kitchen, because that's just unsanitary, and effectively you'll be dragging particles of fecal bacteria through your food preparation area. So that's obviously a massive no-no. So colours are your friend. So and you can find kind of or even make them yourself, some colour coded guides that you can stick on the doors of kind of all of your kind of zones. So the door to the bar, the door to the kitchen, the door to your cleaning cupboard, and the door inside your cleaning cupboard, so that environmental health can see that yes, these guys absolutely have got the basics nailed in terms of colours are are allocated to particular zones to make sure that there's no cross-contamination occurring. So posters are a good idea, and having a full suite of colour-coded kind of equipment. So at Astral Hygiene we sell yellow mop heads with a yellow handle, with a yellow mop bucket, with a yellow dustpan and brush, with yellow cloths for the washrooms. And then we'd also sell a green mop with a green mop bucket, with a green handle, with green dustpan and brushes, green deck scrubbers, green floor scrubbers, green hand scrubbing brushes, so you get the picture, for the kitchen. So all of your kitchen stuff would be green, all of your kitchen cloths would be green. And then blue would be kind of for general low risk areas, for like hallways or areas where it's not overly contaminated and it's not an overly sanitary area. So for general kind of areas like corridors, stairs, etc., we'd recommend that you use blue, with a blue mop bucket, a blue mop, a blue handle, blue cloth, so you get the picture. And then so we've also got yellow and we've also got white. So in terms of allocating colours, it's a really good idea. It's absolutely best practice. If you are due to have an environmental health inspection, that is certainly what environmental health would like to see. So that is it for today. If anybody's got any questions, you can either message us on here, Facebook. You can either send us an email, so send an email to sales@astralhygiene.co.uk. Please do share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much. Have a nice weekend. Bye.